Hello everyone, this is Kosmo the Cat, and we are starting today our, shall we say, training course on creating visual novels. And this course will consist of a lot of short videos. I hope to keep them up to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes each, and each video will focus on one small topic. In this course, we will be making a real visual novel with a story, different endings, a gallery, and whatever else we need. In addition to videos on RenPy itself and on programming in RenPy, there will be some other kinds of videos. For example, about graphic editors or audio editors and other software that might be useful to you when creating a visual novel. I'm sure that after this course you will be able to start making your visual novel, but remember to try everything you see in a video, because you can't learn programming without actual programming and making lots of mistakes. So make your first small novel, let it be stupid, let it be idiotic, let it be ugly, but it will be a good practice for you. If you don't want to download or draw pictures for a short story that no one will see, then in the description for this video I will put a link to an archive with the materials that you can use for your short story. But don't expect your first game to be a good game. Just make a short, unpretentious story, and even less so. But remember that these materials are under a non-commercial license, so you can use them in any products you don't intend to make money from. So if you use these pictures in the game, you shouldn't sell it, because then the FBI will come and put you in jail. Well, this is where we start. Move on to the next video, and we are starting working on our gorgeous visual novel. And of course, as you can hear, English isn't my native language, so I hope my Russian accent won't bother you that much.